Hey everyone, welcome to the YouTube Masterclass. My name is Phil Ebner and I'm so excited to have you here. The best part about this class is that you don't have just one instructor, you have three. Mike and Lauren, you'll be introduced to them in the next couple of videos, and they are an amazing pair of YouTubers who are willing to share their knowledge and exactly how they've become successful with you in this online class. So in this video, I just wanted to talk a little bit more about what this class is all about, how you're going to take the class, how we suggest you take the class, how you'll be successful. First, let's get started with a brief overview of what's in this class and the structure of it.
So a lot of you have probably already taken a Udemy course before, but for those of you who haven't, this is the basic structure of your Udemy dashboard. On the left, you can choose the course lecture under the section that you want to watch. On the right, you can post discussions, view other discussions from people, and ask any questions you want. We've structured this course in a way that we think makes the most sense for a brand new YouTuber. What this means is you might need to skip around in these sections depending on what you want to learn. For example, we start the course off with some basic tips from Mike and Lauren on how to start a channel from scratch. Then we dive right into the YouTube platform itself. This is real meaty content that shows you exactly how to use the back end of the platform. But for those of you who have already used YouTube, you might want to skip through some of these lessons. Then we follow it up with the YouTube best practices section, which is a great way to get in the mindset of being a good YouTuber. And this will lend itself to the rest of the sections, which include different sections from Mike and Lauren about their story of how to get views, how to get subscribers, more tips about having a good channel. And then later in this course is really where we dive into more of the hands-on training. So the equipment we use, how do we make videos, how should you make videos. Section 10 is a big one for posting and optimizing your videos. We walk through the entire process, and this will be really good for those of you who are new and who have been on YouTube for a while. This shows you exactly how we do it and how it is successful on our end. And then later we learn more about how to grow our audience with some tips, with analytics, and how to make money with YouTube. What we want you to keep in mind is that this course bounces between talking head style videos where we're talking about what and how to do it, and then screencast and other style of videos where we're actually showing you how to do it. Hopefully you enjoy both types of videos, and remember, you can always bounce around from section to section or lesson to lesson to learn exactly what you want to learn in that moment.
Lastly, who am I? My name is Phil Ebner. You might know me from some of my other online courses or from videoschoolonline.com or from my YouTube channel. And I welcome you here. You're going to find out a lot more about myself and Mike and Lauren throughout the next few videos and throughout this entire course. But the main things to keep in mind about me is that I started out from scratch, just like a lot of you. Before I started building my online business, before I started teaching online courses, I didn't have a YouTube channel. I didn't have a brand. I didn't have a following. I didn't make money online. And I've been able to do that slowly but consistently over the past few years. And I've been creating courses like this one to expedite that process for you. I've made a lot of mistakes in my time, but I've also done a lot of things the right way. And now I want to teach you only the right things. We'll talk about some of the mistakes we've made so that you don't make them, you don't follow in our footsteps, but you follow in our footsteps of success only. So that's who I am. You'll find out more information about me throughout the rest of the course. But for now, thank you again for being a part of this course, and I can't wait to help you create your YouTube channel. Bye.